5000 watts which I bought from China. It has been working fine for 1 year, but after 1 year, one day I got main fuse blown, so these two pins are shorted out in. So I tried to find out what is the problem. So there are more 4 MOSFETs here. This was replaced by IGBTs. I'll tell you the part number now. These are the IGBTs, sorry, MOSFETs. It was before the last one. It has 4 MOSFETs. This one has been shorted out before. I replaced the entire thing. These were the MOSFETs pulled out from the Rectifying inverter. So you can see that if we test it out, all 3 are good. This is good. This is good. This is good. So this one is shorted out. So due to this reason, the EC main fuse got blown repeatedly. So this part number is 32N50. That means it has 32 amps current switching with 600 volts or 500 volts range, all 4s. This part number was not available in my area, so it has been replaced with 60N100. So this is capable of switching 1000 volts with 60 amperes. It's double than this. It is 30 amps, 500 volt. This is 1000 volt, 60 amps. That part number is 60N100. So it was an IGBT and this is a MOSFET. I initially had a doubt that replacing MOSFET with IGBT, if any problem arises or the internal circuit will damage, but there is no issue with this. It's working fine. I'll show you in this video. So if you have any problem and couldn't find the MOSFETs, go with the IGBT 60N100. It is the double time capacity. So let's connect to the grid and check it out. Now the inverter is connected to solar panels, the positive and negative, and AC grid has been connected. So now you can see that it's working fine. I switch off and on again. Now the MPPT is tracking. Okay, now it's working fine. You can see that the only problem is the IGBT is big enough, so I couldn't put the clamps for this one. So I barely run for 2 days and there is no heating problem compared to the MOSFETs. So these are the old MOSFETs. So why I didn't replace the blown one, because I thought that there will be incompatibility between 3 MOSFETs and 1 IGBT. So I replaced the entire array of MOSFETs with IGBTs. This cost around 350 in my local electronic shop. So I spent 1400. So now it is working fine. So there will be only 2 problems. Once you'll get AC line shorted out or a DC input line get shorted out. So if you get DC input line shorted out, then here is the array of MOSFETs and diodes that need to be replaced. I have another one inverter running here. So if anything MOSFETs is blown, I have additional 3 spare MOSFETs, so I can replace with them. So the Tie inverter is compatible with IGBTs as well. Thank you guys. And another update, the two fans which are 40 millimeter square with 20 millimeters of thickness is not coming and running up. So I have a big AC fan that blowing the air through the aluminum coolings. So I ordered these fans online. So once it arrives, I will show how to replace these fans. Thank you guys.